Let's learn English. Welcome. I wish I could fly. আমি যদি উড়তে পারতাম। I wish I could help you. আমি যদি তোমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারতাম। I wish I could go with you. I wish I could understand this lesson. I wish I could stay longer. I wish I could solve this problem. I wish I could remember everything. I wish I could learn faster. I wish I could do it perfectly. I wish I could pass the exam. I wish I could draw well. আমি যদি ভালোভাবে আঁকতে পারতাম। I wish I could stay calm. I wish I could type fast. I wish I could win the game. আমি যদি খেলাটি জিততে পারতাম। I wish I could visit my place. আমি যদি আমার গ্রামে যেতে পারতাম। I wish I could avoid mistakes. I wish I could ask questions freely. I wish I could focus more. I wish I could speak politely. I wish I could solve puzzles. I wish I could understand movies. I wish I could learn online. I wish I could solve problems quickly. Thank you.